almost died. Food fight. Excuse me. 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 Oh God. I've got a terrible case of hiccups. And it's so severe that I can't breathe right. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh God, that hurt. Oh my gosh. I'm hurting like hell.
Hey, Miss Green.
Wait, what?
What is it? Crowd laughing.
That scared me like hell. Oh my gosh. As oh my God. As I was that hurt me. That actually hurt me. Okay, food fight! Oh, I guess time's up. You don't have your cake, so for time to show your school spirit. Go. Time to show your school spirit. Go. Actually, your goal's gone for meeting bracelet you wouldn't. Math minus a 4, of course. What?